Alright, finally on my way to Dhermi and the bus stop. I've got 5 minutes. Well, a bit of a mishap. The bus left a little early, and I of course planned it right on time, which is a fault. Here, you better get there early, just in case. But maybe the bus was full, so I'm walking up to the 11:30 bus, and I'll get there at 12:30 and see how it goes. It's a warm day today. It's a little more leisure. But Dhermi, here I come, regardless. I know I didn't say where I was heading. I started at the Saranda bus station, but I'm walking up to the Castriati gas station. The 2 afternoon buses leave from there. The 2 morning buses leave on the Saranda bus, which is a lot closer to where I live. But I can take that back right on the Balkanica. So I wanted to let you know that in case somebody's trying to get there like me in the future or now. I've told you this many times before. But anyway, this is the new bus station. Castrati gas station. Right on the Trans Balkanica at this big roundabout. You can see the buses up there. So this is where you come. You can look up online the times. You can even buy your ticket online. They say a guaranteed seat. I'll let you know. Just waiting on the bus. We should leave any second. Well, any minute. 10 o'clock. Yeah, I just walked up and got the 10 o'clock bus after my tardiness caused the delay. That's alright. So if you don't want to go all the way to Castriati bus station, you can stop and come down to the park by the Lumbar and wait. I don't know if there's a schedule for that, but all the buses going south will seem to stop there for a minute or two. They all have signs in the window, their destination. Country works. Well, as suspected, when you take the bus from Vlora, you get off at the top of the hill. And I am going to walk down. Doesn't look like much from here. That is for sure. But I think there's a lot more to come. So, can you see that? A point of interest? There's their cemetery. And their above ground coffins. Interesting. Tell you something. Maybe it's better to take a taxi down. I'm going to walk it this first time, but if anybody plans to come to Dhermi, the Optimum looks like a taxi. You can see Dhermi on the hill up there. The cement thing where that road sign is, that's where we started.